As a proud mother of the bride, I stand here today with a heart full of love and a few tears threatening to sneak out, but I will try and keep it together. Okay. Jade Charlotte Kelly, my Jadey June, now Mrs. Palmer, you look absolutely amazing. You always wanted to do everything your sisters did, from horse riding to clubbing and following your sister in the care service. I must confess, I never thought you'd actually be so committed to your role there with residents who had high medical needs, but you proved us all wrong. Now, Ash. A mother's love is a unique and powerful force, loving unconditionally, showing kindness, compassion and understanding. I am entrusting you with my precious daughter and would like to officially and legally welcome you into the family. It was at the care home Phoenix House that you met Ash, though you kept him a secret for a good year, not sure if it was the age gap or you just wanted to make sure it was the real deal. Well, we can see 7 years on, a house and a gorgeous son, it is the real deal. Your life together be filled with love and laughter. So now, if you can please raise your glasses to Jade and Ash Palmer.
I call upon
these persons here present
to witness
that I, Ashley James Palmer,
do take thee, Jade Charlotte Kelly, to be my lawful wedded wife.
Ash, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
And
I promise to care for you with love and friendship. To support and comfort you through good times and through troubled times. I promise to care for you with patience. To respect and cherish you. And to be faithful always. These promises I make to you. For the rest of my life. It gives me great pleasure to declare that you are now husband and wife and you may kiss each other.
You're the best mum to our Tate and I love seeing your bond. I'm so lucky to have you and I appreciate you more than you ever know. I can't wait for our next chapter being husband and wife. I truly couldn't imagine my life without you. I promise to look after you, encourage you and support you, and continue to always make the morning coffees. So here's my beautiful wife, Jade. Cheers.
Ash was becoming a more responsible and knowledgeable young man, staying out of trouble, which is thank God. Then bought their first house together and have blessed us with a gorgeous little boy, Tatum, and now had a beautiful wife, Jade. Let's raise a glass to you both, to a long and happy life together, more grandchildren. Oh, and your mum wants to pay rise. So, thank you very much.
Cheers.
We thought it only right to pass on some marital advice to the happy couple. Palmer, always remember these 3 magic words. Yes, babe, absolutely. Use them daily in any situation, no matter what Jade wants or asks for. And you'll live happily ever after. Ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding and join us in raising a glass to the new Mr. and Mrs. Palmer.